Awasogere mwancho murigere mugaso obono karibu sana ime ya Gitembe TV tunyare gusanga ega hakubwatia asinchiraire ya bene ekeonga chinsa ni sano na ibere nchenkuru Matilda Obaigwa na ne kirongo chake keonga kurase county ya Nyamira mugavana we county yo Moske Amos Enyarigo nigobono agendereire nomuroberi obogosira chisembi ase county yo kagotarira eskuru yoboroso ya Kebirigo ritkoria rero nigobono anyara kuigora amagacho y'ebirasi bya ECDE nabo igo kusanga naborokiwa beskuru yo ande muno kero nande banyara kurigereria amangana ya matuko ya banyaruka ase ense usego chengira amatuko ya banyaruka chinga kicho niganyara kwenara usego kwenane segeto uchasa borokiwa banyare gukora omukya nabo igo nabobwatani okora ase wizara ichisembe county yo igo banyara gwikirana aroro soko igorwa kwa magacha yuko kuigorwa kwebirasi ebyo nabo igo merobeliende mengi.
Tutaendelea kushirikiana between county governments na shule ya Kebirigo Primary. Kwanza ndatuma watu waone vile tutapata maji, ita tuchukue ile kisima ya zamani au tuchimbe kisima mpya na tuweke matangi. Mambo ya uji na digital learning itaendelea. Mambo ya feeding program papa tuketi na walimu, wazazi, tuone na tunaweza saidia. Because shule ni mingi, unaweza saidia shule moja, uacha zingine. So lazima tuone vile tutapatana. Na mambo mengine mwalimu alikuwa amesema yote yawezekana. Sinaona. Ulikuwa unasema huko ndani, nasema tuko tayari. Because hivi vitu tunasaidia watoto ambao watakuja tulinde, we are about to retire. Hawa ndio Wakenya wa kesho. Hii ndio viongozi wa kesho. Na wapigia asante tena, waendelee na kwaya mzuri. Hii kwaya mkiona mtaniita. Sawa.
Utigana nayo amatemo kurase kenyoro kya Gesusu yogotoka ime ya Nyangena sublocation mugonchoro location ewadiri ya Kemera kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira nigo yesokire na kuboria onde roboti goro yomwanobo wegredi gya PP2 aserieta Bravin Mukaya are kubamanya korengana nangina koro aserieta Dorka Munyenye nigo mono akoeromna nigo atigiretu umwana uyu we miaka 5 no mwisikoye uyu okare chinse cha isiko kwerigeria ase ritukuriria ria Alamisi ikieta mwana uyu anyara kurwe skuru na hoika nka sobo kurende tanyora onde hoika bono aburete na umukia obo bwo kumurigia niko bono taranyara koba kokoleta amatunda
mwana mwabana rororo uyu ranko yayo kurukubundi agacha kere mbure konyirira tamanyora kanura cyanga cyenge sikugaika no yo kabira agacha ukurukwa Nicholas Bundi nera tamanyora uyo gatatu ninjenge chitobana ku magondo tinamanyora nkarangeti tinamoigwa bona chinsa cha saa 10 alingo chakanyora ngabona mwana mutali yanga ngamnyoka sichirani akabora
babeke chi police station ichi report police station twaligiri chingoro twaligiri chinyomba twaitana nire kirase
aro mwana omanyerera iga tari mora pno mumwam abegete cha morigi twatamire ku morigi chaime meteime chingoro ime otobolire ne chinyomba
inchoko kanikwane gwetanie family uno mulisi bwe kanisa ekiagera omwana oyo igari kanisa ya itoga ya mukwero totaraja kwanza na onye kwende kwetira sobolire bwe kanisa family abana ba chingondi chito tokolera nabo tubwateri yanda inje bwe kapaso no gokinora atiange sokoro obwa matobo ne guchia so mwana na buri bwingenjo sana nkonya gusaba na inje ngosabanga gaki nyasa uriole igorato igorere elindo mwana oyo aoroke na enda aoroke kare bia kiantete omwana oyo aoroke no omwana okwana naende gochia ebinto chitangutangu chinge kabirechi omwana oria atoke kwanse binge baraisa koeresa ng'a ikonyari
gaki kamuranje yokomorora ndonsi atomoe
gaki gusiase yabeta kimuratororera omwana oyo ande igabwate emiaka 5 abegete sweta ya puru ebwate gobi akabeka nekenyasa gya puru nechiafuta chia puru kimora mororande gaki kimoranje motokonye twatwarira amayanda ntori goswa nyomba ntori korara twaruboire chingoro twakororire chi unit gweta chindoche twarigiri paka chicho twamumoire baminto gaki ntorara mwana oyo gaki kimoranje tokonye gaki
kero kende nonya nase bakagerete ng'onde narumoirete mbaboreti iso omwana agakana nere taramorora igo bono ntugosaba goito ondo omoroche atoiraneri omwana
onde bwensi oramorore anyara kabaga gototebi enamba yesimire 0705 7444 85 gaki gongosaba obwantani obonene ayorarora omwana oyo gaki anyara kabaga gototebi
gutigana nayo musubati w'emiaka 30 noyomo manyekanite bana Judith Kerubo Nyamongo nigubono anyare kubikwa byara magega yugukagerwa kubwateraniwa asoboiti wo murundi chipigipigi so murundi pigipigi yomo omwakweta asichinse mochi abo baracho isana egotoka abo baracho ase chinse mochi ya Kiong'anyo sub location county ya Kisii musubati oyo bono nigo anyarete kubikwa byara kale chinsemo chia Namanga kira gutomera enseri ya Tanzania na nigo abiriga kwebisa asemetinyi 5 nomo asebono abanyanyimbo bagenderete nobutuki nabo igo kubaligia banyarete kubwateranigo asoboiti wo morundia pipigyo yo asebono oyo anyarete kubikwa byara nabo igo arachie kugambirwa nabo bande bagenderete kuligigwa
10th of November last year, Judith Kerubo Nyamongo and others happened to murder a boda rider by the name Peter Motari. Since then, she has been escaping police dragnet until on Friday when she was arrested as she was trying to cross Namanga border to Tanzania. Apparently, we had placed a stop order with the Immigration Department, and immediately she was trying to cross over. She was stopped and handed over to our counterparts Namanga, and we were informed immediately, and we went to collect her. Today, we have been able to arraign her in court, seeking custodial orders, and you have been granted 10 days custodial order so that you can complete investigations before she can be charged formally with the offense of murder. Already there are 2 suspects before court and the other 3 remaining. For the 3 who are remaining, we are closing up on them, and in due course we shall also be able to arrest them so that they are all charged with the offense of murder. Thank you. The guy who was murdered was a boda rider by the name Peter Motari. Was around 25 years of age, and the reason why they decided to murder that gentleman is because it is said he assaulted the cousin to Judith Kerubo. There is a murder weapon which was recovered at the crime scene, that was Kiong'anyo sublocation. They are still on the run. There are 3 actually. After the arrest of Judith, now the 3 are still remaining. They are still at large. They are not within Kisii County, but it's a matter of time. We are also closing up on them. To the members of the public, whenever they spot these 3 individuals, they inform us so that we are able to apprehend them and also face the full force of the law. Because justice has to be done to the family of the deceased, and that is why what we are doing.
Na ekiombe gekoreta Wakenya kuripsa kubyonsi amo kia National Cohesion and Integration Commission gose NCIC wono niko kyanyare konyora munyakiro omoye na boigo aba commissioner ase umuyiga onyare gukorekana kurawa ne gambiro ekenene gusomonene bwe bigambiro nere Martha Koome ase bono banyarire gutianirwa hagati yabo munyakiro wo aselita Dr. Kefa Nyamweya Omae na boigo aba commissioner abande abo batianirwe gusase ekyombe ekyo Martha Koome kausanga na burabu rituko ria rero niko bono anyare kuboria kiro bagoswa bisi banyare gukora emirimo iri bwenete nakwene kibuna banyare kubeka abakenya bonsi ambo na boigo koenekia omurembe chingaki baraenane obokoreri bwabo.
What I want to tell you as NCIC, take the plate that you have been given and first of all empty it. May you implement that act to the end before we hear that you need more powers. More powers to do what when you have not exhausted what you already have. We have the prosecution, we have the investigators, we have Kenyans coming forward to complain about this and that. First of all, attend to that before you can say you have been crippled because you have not been given the teeth to bite. This is a time, like everybody has said, where societies across the world are increasingly confronted by the evil spirit of polarization, the evil spirit of intolerance, the evil spirit of misinformation, and identity-based tensions. So, an institution such as NCIC remain indispensable guardians of social cohesion and national unity.
Wancho murigireto murena na ndese kiunga chinsa ikomichiarero muragoba tunyare ko yasangayo naenda mange asinchira iri ya vene kigimanchingoro kwa Matilda obaigwa Wilson Makori kurasense mo yebi manyere na boigo kurase studio kabere nere Eugene ogende to koletraiga asinchira yobo kangaru kiwa veterasi chiwicha na Mario Gitwara oburigire obya kubo mono ekero raso aso umuroberio vibes on vibes kendra kurigereria ekionga kya Mwamoxi.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake y'umutinyo gatano EU ebwata chikosi buna Agricultural and Environment Studies asiba kwigira Agricultural and Extension mbwate course ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering asiba kwigira Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na boigo nkwigira bale Plumbing, Masonry, Building Technology, Civil Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwigiri bali ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wego na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwigiri bali Electrical